Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we uncover the coolest and most creative gadgets that make life simpler, smarter, and a lot more fun. If you love exploring unique tech and innovative designs, then today's video is going to keep you hooked till the end. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Divoom Itour-S. Compact, stylish, and built for adventure, the Divoom Itour-S is a portable Bluetooth speaker that delivers surprisingly powerful sound in a tiny, wearable design. It's IP67 waterproof, meaning it's perfect for camping, hiking, or even poolside fun. With its built-in strap and clip-on design, you can hang it anywhere, from your backpack to your bike, and enjoy music on the go. This little powerhouse features multiple sound modes, including immersive, extra bass, and stereo options for every mood. Its 10-hour playtime and voice control support make it an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts who don't want to compromise on sound or durability. Number 4, Divoom Pixoo 64. If you love creativity and digital art, this LED pixel display will absolutely amaze you. The Pixoo 64 comes with a stunning 64 by 64 LED panel featuring over 4,000 programmable LEDs that can bring your designs to life. Through the Divoom app, you can create pixel animations, display texts, or even showcase your social media stats in real time. Whether you're decorating your gaming setup, brightening your living room, or tracking your stock market data, this device does it all. With Wi-Fi connectivity, it can even fetch and display live information like cryptocurrency prices or financial updates. It's more than just a decoration. It's a dynamic digital expression of your personality. Number 3, Hagibis phone stand. Sleek, strong, and full of surprises. The Hagibis cell phone stand is a 5-in-1 foldable masterpiece. Crafted from premium alloy metal with an anodized sandblasted finish, it looks and feels luxurious. What makes it even more incredible is that it doubles as a creative bottle opener. So it's not just for your phone, it's for your lifestyle. Its lightweight 73-gram build and ultra-thin 5mm design make it easy to carry anywhere. The stable triangle gravity structure keeps your phone steady during video calls or while watching movies, and the reserved charging port allows you to use it while charging. You can position your phone vertically or horizontally for the perfect viewing angle. Practicality and elegance combined. Number 2, Jisulife Hand Fan. Beat the heat in style with the Jisulife portable handheld fan, a 3-in-1 personal fan that transforms into a handheld, desk, or neck fan effortlessly. It's powered by a robust 5,000 mAh battery and offers 5 different speed levels for the perfect breeze anytime, anywhere. The LED display shows the speed and battery level, making it user-friendly and convenient. This fan folds up to 150 degrees for easy storage, and its quiet operation makes it ideal for home, office, or travel. Designed with 12 rotary vanes, it delivers strong, natural airflow that keeps you cool without the noise. Whether you're working, relaxing, or outdoors, the Jisulife fan is your pocket-sized comfort companion. Number 1, Bebird EarSight Plus. Taking ear care to the next level, the Bebird EarSight Plus is an innovative visual ear pick that lets you see what you're cleaning in real time. It's equipped with an advanced 1080p HD camera and bendable lens, allowing you to safely and precisely remove earwax while viewing everything on your smartphone. With its 3rd-generation tweezers, it ensures a smooth, safe experience without damaging your ear canal. You can switch between 4 different cleaning modes to suit your needs. It's even great for kids. Many parents report that children are more cooperative when they can see what's happening. Say goodbye to cotton swabs and hello to modern, safe ear cleaning with this smart all-in-one device. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.